I was working in this bathroom, but I thought I'd do a video on drilling in tiles. So basically, use good drill bits. That's the first point. These are Makita. This is what the one of my friends brought in to use. Really cheap thing. Look at the end of that. That ain't gonna work. So get good quality bits. 2 flute as well. You can buy 4 flute, but they don't seem to work on tiles. So buy a 2 flute, good quality masonry bit. Then measure. I don't have to do it on this one because this is a really small drill bit. But measure down how far you're drilling in, and then you won't go past that and you won't cause damage that you don't need to the fabric of the building. So don't use rubbish, and only drill as far deep as you have to go. Well, these SDS bits just fit in easy on these Hilti TE-6s. I'm setting it to drill only, not hammer. You don't want to use hammer. In fact, I'll just show you what happens if you do use hammer. Actually, that one ain't turned out too bad because of good quality bits, but you see on that one, when I was using the poor quality one, it just blew the back out of the tile. So you try to screw onto that now, it'd crack that. Sometimes it can just crack using the hammer, so don't use it. So you want to start off, never go near the edge of a tile, otherwise you'll crack it. So keep towards the centre, although I am liable to crack this now because it's been drilled a few times. So you just want to start off really slow. And as soon as you're through, then go to hammer. So that's it. Makes a much better hole. You don't crack the tile. I was expecting that to crack then, but it didn't. And then when you put your raw plug in, make sure you push it so that it's not flush with the tile. If you put that in so the end is flush with that tile, as soon as you screw the screw in, it'll expand and crack the tile. So make sure you push it all the way through so that the wall plug is flush with the wall, not the tile. And make sure you use straight screws, not tapered. Otherwise the tapered ones push it out and crack the tile as well. So that's about all I can think of right now. So